Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, darling. So today we're gonna have a cooking with Michael, guys. So I'm gonna make my fish and spinach. So I'm gonna show you how I make it, guys. This is my diet that I've been having like for the last month. It's like I'm cooking everything with spinach, and I really noticed a big difference, guys. I feel so strong. So I feel like Popeye the Sailor Man. Yes. So here's my salmon that I'm gonna. It's defrosted now, so I'm gonna cook it in the pan with olive oil, and I'm gonna use this plate in here to cook the spinach by frozen. Okay, so let me show you how I prep the fish, which is very easy. All I do is I take a small frying pan. I take a frying pan with a cover, and I just put it in the stove. Okay, this cooks very fast. So that's why it's very easy and very convenient for you guys to make, when you come home from work and you're very tired. So I'm just putting this out in here. So I'm just gonna put this in high. Okay guys, and I only use olive oil. I'm not using any canola oil. I use either olive oil or I use avocado oil. It's the best for you, okay? So I'm gonna use some of this to put on the pan. Okay, and then has any excuse not to eat healthy. So I'm gonna open the fish. I'm gonna take it from here and I'm gonna put it in the pan. I'm gonna season it right over there on the pan. So let me show you what I'm gonna be using for seasonings, guys. I like to use this, guys. Everything but the bagel. Everything bagel. And this has a lot of sesame seeds. It has a lot of seasonings, to make you think that you're eating something decadent. So I like cover it. Let me show you. You see? Put a lot of it. One side. And I only do one side only. So I love this seasoning here. And I'm gonna put the same thing for the spinach. Okay? So then I cover it. And now I'm gonna get the spinach. And I'm gonna put it in this plate. But first, spinach takes a lot of moisture. So what I like to do is I like to take a lot of paper towels and layer it down in the basin here. Let me just lower the fire in here. So I put it on medium. Okay, and now I'm gonna take the spinach. I have one open here. So I like to buy this at the supermarket, guys. It's chopped spinach. And I like to put a lot of it because I love the flavor, and then I'm gonna put some of this, as much as you want. Put a lot of it too. Then I'm gonna take another couple of pieces of paper towel, and I'm gonna layer, and I'm gonna make like an envelope. Okay, so I'm gonna close it in here. I put this on top. Okay, and I make sure it's well covered, and I'm gonna put it for 5 minutes in the microwave on high. You see how easy it is, guys? There's no excuse not to eat healthy. It's like I was telling Matthew, it's also very economical because every pack of that I buy spinach is $1. So I love this because by the time the spinach is done, the fish is done, and then it's time to eat. So it doesn't get easier than that. Okay, so I'm gonna eat some water. I'm gonna drink some water that I have in here, ice water. I always carry this with me, so I always drink water all the time, especially when you take supplements. These are the supplements that I take, guys. So I noticed a huge difference, guys. I'm taking this creatine when I hydrate. I noticed a big difference. I've been gaining a lot of muscle, and this is what I drink for energy every morning. I get it from Costco. Then I take this when I come back from the gym. I make my protein shakes. This one here, 0 carb. I love this one, the strawberry one. And then I use this as sweetener, sugar-free, and it's great. And I also put this sweet germ on my oatmeal and also on the protein shakes. And I'm telling you guys, I feel so healthy. Okay, it's time to turn the fish on the other side. I'm trying not to splatter too much because I don't want to have to clean up too much. So I take this, and I don't put any seasoning on the other side because That's enough seasoning that I put on top for both sides. So perfect, and the flame is in low, so it's cooking slowly. In the meantime, I'm just gonna take, let's see, I have 2 minutes and 42 seconds set on my plate. Ta-da! And guys, you see the time? It's 5 o'clock. I always eat at 5 o'clock or earlier. I don't like to eat anything after 5:30. You know, it's not good for you. Okay, so always try to eat something early in the afternoon. Okay, so I'm gonna put it on the table so we can eat together, guys. Yes, it's been a while, huh? Matthew is on his way home, so he likes to eat. He likes to cook his dinner. So you know what? It's good because that way everyone eats. You know, he eats. We like different seasonings, you know. So and so he likes to have his protein in there now. So that's good, you know. Okay, it's almost there. I'm gonna take it out now. Look how it looks, nice and hot. So I'm gonna show you how I prep the plate. First, I use this to squeeze the moisture from the spinach because there's a lot of water in here. So I like to squeeze it all out. So I'm squeezing it all out. The paper towels. You see, and I just take this and I just put this in the compost. So having here all this spinach in here, guys. So I'm gonna put it on the plate, which is perfectly cooked. Let me just cut it in half. Yes, it's perfectly cooked. Look how beautiful it looks. Okay. Perfect. Time to eat. Okay, so time to eat, guys, and I'm gonna take you outside so we can have dinner outside. But before that, I wanna put some oil, a lot of oil. So I put a lot of avocado oil, a couple of tablespoons. And guys, always remember, because I'm not eating carbs, the fat is not gonna make me fat. It's gonna help me burn fat. Okay, that's the secret when you go on keto or any of those diets, low in carbs. Okay, so ta-da! Okay guys, let me show you. Here it is. Time to eat. So here we are sitting in my beautiful garden. Let me just give you a quick view. Yes, it's nice and cool tonight. And now let me just ready. Okay, and this is very delicious, guys. This meal is you have all the minerals and nutrients that you need, you know, to keep a healthy lifestyle. Can you see? Yes. So I like to break the fish and mix it up with the spinach. You know, so. And you see, I don't have any potatoes. I don't have any starch at all. You know, I don't miss it. I don't crave it. You know, I eat this many times during the week, guys, and I don't miss having any potatoes, anything like that. You know, I'm trying to stray away from that. I'm becoming leaner because this is the way I eat. You know, and I love it. You know. That seasoning is so good. I could use a little bit of salt, but it's okay. It's fine. It's so peaceful in here, guys. The sun is coming down. It's so peaceful in here, isn't it? It's like I'm surrounded by beauty, by flowers, by gardens, by my plants, my pets. The beautiful fountain in the background, can you hear it? Beautiful. This is the reason why I work hard my whole life, to have this kind of lifestyle. You know, that's what people look forward. You know, when you retire, you just want to have, you know, a place like this and relax and just be happy with the simple life. At least for me, a little bit more this way. Move this chair over. This is the same problem that I have in the mornings when I do my carb vlogs, guys. That depending on the position of the sun, I get reflections, and then when you are taping, when you're videoing, it looks weird because it looks very bright. You see, like in here, I'm not gonna worry about that. So this week Matthew has Thursday and Friday off, so we're planning to do some day trips. You know, maybe we go to see the Multnomah Falls. Maybe we'll go to the coast. It's so nice to just take a long drive, you know, and just to get out to the city, you know, and just put nice classical music when you're driving and just enjoy the drive. So today was the first day that the mask mandate went into effect into my gym, the one that I go in Washington State. So it wasn't hard getting used to it again, you know, because I mean it's for our own safety, but you know it's sad that we had to go, that we went back, you know. Well, nothing we can do about it. We have to accept what we cannot change. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna finish dinner and I'm gonna upload this video, guys. I just wanted to be in touch with you guys. I tried filming car vlogs, but I don't know, nothing comes to mind. I don't get inspired, and I just don't want to put a car vlog if I don't have a message, you know. So I'd rather do this. I'll show you my dinner. I share you my dinner. You want my dinner there tonight? So I also do live streams on Sundays. And guys, let me know if you want me to go do lives, because I have a new stream software, and I would love to try it on my channel, you know. So I would love to go live with you guys, so we can have some kind of interaction. So let me know which day works out for you best. You know, I do my live streams on Sunday at 12 noon. Will that work for you too? Let me know. I'd rather do them during the week, you know, because I want to have the weekend off also, you know. So we'll see, you know. What I'll do is I'll surprise you, and I just come live one of these evenings and chit chat, okay? Okay, guys. It was nice spending dinner with you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Yes!